Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I just want to start this video by saying thank you for 100 subscribers. I know to a lot of people that's not a lot and that's not a huge milestone, but like for me it is. This is the first time that I've hit 100 on YouTube, even though we've had many a channel in this household. I wanted to say thank you first and foremost because I appreciate your support. So I sound a little bit ratchet because I think I'm getting sick and I don't want to get sick, so I'm just pretending it's not happening. And as a result, I think I'm getting more sick, but we're just gonna pretend it's not happening. We're gonna pretend that I sound normal and happy and good because that's the vibe we're going for. This past summer, I have very much gotten into hair care. Really random, did not expect to be the kind of person who was like into hair care, but I am. I guess I started dyeing my hair with overtone. You guys have seen all of the videos about that, and trust me, they're not stopping there. Is into hair care. Hair is actually gross. Yeah, so you guys really enjoy my overtone videos, which is awesome. Thank you for the support on those. Over the course of the summer, I also started using a Function of Beauty, which I've been wanting to try for a really long time, but I really just it was really expensive. It is really expensive, and B, it felt kind of gimmicky in a way. Like, to me, it's just like they're shipping out different bottles, or that's what I thought at least. So I got a discount code and I was like, I might as well just try it, because nobody, like, I haven't seen a video about Function of Beauty that wasn't sponsored, so I thought it would be important to put it out there because, as we all know, we don't get sponsors on this channel because we have 100 subscribers. So I thought that I would try them unsponsored and do a review on it, especially because I wanted to use the product for so long. I thought that this would be just a great, it was just a great opportunity both for content and for my hair, so I was like, let's friggin' do it. So yeah, so if you guys don't know, my hair is naturally pretty curly. In the summer it's definitely more frizzy and big, but in the winter months it curls itself kind of nicely. This is not natural. This is barely even curled anymore. This is like 2-day-old curls, but yeah, so I have naturally very curly frizzy hair. Yeah, I have curly fine weird hair, and I have colored it many a times before, many a times at the salon, and my hair is weird, my hair is thick, my hair is longish, I think. I don't know what long is anymore. I haven't had my hair super long in a really long time, but I figured that I wanted to either grow it out or I wanted to cut it and then grow it out, so I might as well look for products that would help with the growth, with the health, with all of the above. I put a lot of heat on my hair, so I figured I would look into my options in terms of hair care because that is pretty important to me. So I bought one of the Functions of Beauty things. Oh my god, it's so old that it's like separated. So I put my hair type as curly, medium, and normal in terms of, so curly hair, medium texture, and normal scalp, I guess. The fragrance I chose is all eucalyptus. I really like naturey smells. That's why I have fresh balsam always burning. The goals of the product was to get anti-frizz, voluminize, strengthen, lengthen, and define my curls. So you get to pick 5 hair goals, and that's what they're supposed to cater to. And I ordered the 16-ounce shampoo and conditioner. This is what they look like now. The color has changed. That's, I think, normal. Yeah, it just says Function of Emilie on the bottle. Not that you can actually see it because it's half empty. And yeah, so this is what they look like. The color definitely changed, but I've had these for like 3 months almost, and I'm still like barely through. I wash my hair probably twice a week. I've been trying to like wean off of like washing every single day, like over the past like 3 months. So this was both just to get my money's worth out of this product, to get my money's worth out of my hair, and also like my hair color, and then also because like washing your hair that much, I I've read isn't very good for your scalp. And overall, I think it's done a good job. When I first started using it, my hair was probably about an inch shorter, I want to say. Maybe 2 inches shorter. So in 3 months it grew 2-ish inches. I got a haircut in between, and my hairdresser was very pleasantly surprised at how healthy my hair was, because typically it is not. I do think that it does a lot for my frizz. I think that it works in terms of frizz control. I don't see the curl definition. I feel like it flattens my hair a little bit more in that sense, but it definitely does get rid of the frizz, which is amazing. Yeah, I think it's a little much to spend $40 on a shampoo and conditioner. I know that a lot of people do get the set with shampoo, conditioner, and the hair mask, or some of this like accessories type of thing, but I don't really have a use for extra bottles and stuff, so I just didn't. I don't really use hair masks that often. The only thing I put in my hair other than my shampoo is my hair dye and dry shampoo, so we didn't really need that in this house. But like, the shipping was really fast. I had it sent to somebody else's house because I was out of town when I ordered, and like it came, like it's from the States, and I ordered it while I was in the States, but I was shipping it to Canada, and it got here in like 3 or 4 days maybe at most. And it comes in a cute little box that says her name on it, and it's just really sweet and adorable, and definitely makes you excited to get something for your hair. The ingredients for these are relatively good compared to a lot of the stuff you buy at the drugstore. You can tell that the brand cares a lot about their cares a lot about their image. I've never had to talk to their customer service, but it's really easy to like postpone a delivery. Like I was supposed to get one this month, but I think I'll be good with what I've got, considering I've had these for 3 months and I'm still just barely halfway through. I think there's a lot to be said about the fact that it's customizable. I think that's most of what you're paying for. If you do have very fussy hair like I do, it's always worth putting the extra little bit of effort, I find, in my opinion, with these. I've been using drugstore shampoos for a really long time now, and none of them really like worked with my hair. And some people can find something that works, but I was never able to find something that was able to keep my hair healthy and do all the things I needed it to do to make sure that my hair looked good all the time. While I don't think that it defines my curls as much as I would love it to, I know that like when it comes to curly haired products, it's really hard to find something that does every single thing that you need it to do. But I think that overall it does a really good job at just making my hair look normal, and if I didn't want to style it, that I would be fine to just have it down. It also makes it a lot easier to style. I don't know what it is, like whenever I blow dry it, it dries a lot faster. And I haven't changed my blow dryer. I'm still using one from Shoppers Drug Mart from like 5 years ago, and it also makes it dry a lot smoother, which is really good because I usually have to dry my hair, straighten it, and then curl it. But this way I'm able to just dry and curl if I want to, and it actually keeps the hold a lot better. You can't tell right now because my hair is pretty dead, like it's pretty flat in terms of styling, but overall, like in my experience, the product just works. If you don't have the extra money to spend on your hair, I think you can do without it. I didn't have the extra money to spend on my hair. I made a reckless decision. But if you do have the ability to safely afford and want to try the product, I hands down would. If you get the reoccurring subscription, you get your shipping for free. I did get a subscription, but I've been pushing back my second delivery because I don't need it, and I don't want to have an extra set of shampoo if I don't have to have it. Like, if you read any review online, it's pretty positive. I don't know how much I trust Google reviews, because I know a lot of people pay people to give good reviews, and it's really hard to trust an influencer society. Not that you have any reason to trust me, but trust me, if you have complicated hair, a little bit different of hair, this product will work for you, or should work for you. And you can also change up your formula if it doesn't. But yeah, I think overall, like, you get so much product in here, and I thought that this would not be a lot. Like, it looks like a small bottle. It is a small bottle, but I feel like it's not even like I ration it or anything like that. Like, I just wash my hair when I need it. I do suggest that's something that you guys do if you do decide to purchase Function of Beauty shampoos, just because it's a little bit more expensive, you want to take it the extra mile, but also you want it to really work on your hair, and like if your hair doesn't need to be washed, then don't wash it. That's everything that I have to say for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a little bit more boring. I know it's another hair video and we're not all big fans of the hair videos, but I did say that I would make this video like forever ago, so thank you so much again for 100 subscribers. That is whack. I cannot believe that we made it this far. If you have any video suggestions, leave them below. If there are any products you want me to test out, leave them below. I love testing products. I am obsessed with trying new things. So let's see if we can try some new things this year, shall we? And yeah, again, thank you for watching. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!